Kumana na king'uki kiria kigumeire bururi wa Turkey ya githingithia, riu Kenya kugerera ministry ya maundu ma nanja iria itongoragio ni Dagitari Alfred Mutua ni atumite ndumiriri yake ya macakaya kuri bururi ucio na kuria a Kenya kuhoera bururi ucio makiria mahinda-ini maya maritu.
An earthquake tragedy occurred on the 6th of February, so 6th and 7th of February, just the other day, in the southeastern part of Turkey and also northern Syria, that has killed over 5,000 people. And many more are injured, and there are others who have yet to be found. And these earthquakes have left a tremendous and immense destruction of property. It is for this reason that we gather here to express our heartfelt solidarity with the government and the people of Turkey and also the people of Syria during this very difficult moment.
Mutua ni athiete na mbere na kuria atongoria a dini itiganite bururi-ini gutongoria mahoya ma kuhoera bururi wa Turkey na kuria a Kenya kuhotha kiria mari nakio niguo guteithiriria bururi ucio na kuhingura mieke kuri a Kenya aria mari na uhoti wa gwika uhonokania guthie na kuhonokia andu bururi-ini ucio.
And so we join the international community in praying and condoling with our brothers and sisters in the two countries. As a country, we do feel that we cannot just sit and watch television and talk about what is happening in Turkey. We feel that as good Christians and good Muslims and good religious people and also as good people of Kenya, we have a responsibility to lend a hand to our brothers and sisters in these nations. Therefore, I'm calling upon Kenyans to join hands in extending material support that would alleviate human suffering, such as foodstuffs, clothing, financial, medical staff, among others.
Akiaria ni ataririe na kuga ati nginyagia riu gutire riboti cia Mukenya o wothe ukwirire bururi-ini ucio kana kugurarira ho na kuria arutite namba iria mundu wina mundu wao bururi-ini ucio angihuthira kuhura riboti.
We are in touch with our mission in Turkey, and for any updates on what is going on, I'd like to report that no Kenyan has so far been affected by the earthquakes, and we are keeping tabs to know whether any Kenyan has been affected, but so far we've not had any Kenyan affected.
Maya mokite oriri bururi wa Turkey othiete na mbere na gucakaya ikuo cia andu aria makuite kumana na githingithia kiria gikorete bururi ucio. Handu-ini ha Kiheo TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Njoki wa Maina.